Now this is class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject GSC and date is 16/12/2020. 16/12/2020. We can write date here. Date it is here. 16/12/2020. And lesson 14 is solar system. Lesson 14, the solar system. Lesson 14, the solar system. Now open page number 84. Page number 84. And we have studied the lesson about the sun, planets, stars, satellites, and today we are going to study about the movement of the earth. So we have to study first about the rotation. What is the rotation movement of the earth? Movement of the earth. Movement of the earth. One is rotation. First is the rotation. The earth, suppose this is the earth and its axis, this is the north pole and this is south pole, and earth, and this is the west and this is the east. So earth, this is the imaginary axis and moves from west to so in this way, this is, suppose this is the earth. This earth moves is the imaginary axis from west to the east. This is called as the earth rotation. It rotates from this direction, from here to this, from west to east it moves. The earth rotates from west to east, from west to east it rotates on its axis. The axis of the earth is an imaginary line. You cannot see any line, but that is an imaginary line joining the north pole and the south pole. This axis is tilted to one side at an angle of 23.5 degree. Now, what is the effect of the rotation? Rotation is responsible for the day and night. Suppose this is the sun, this is the sun, and this side of the sun which towards the earth, the earth side of the earth is toward the sun, having a day, and the opposite side having the night. So rotation of the earth causes the day and night. Rotation completes in 24 hours. The rotation is completed in the 24 hours. So as the earth rotates, different parts of it face the sun. The part that faces the sun has day. The part that is away from the sun has night. It completes one round of rotation about its axis in about 24 hours. Thus, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. So, effect of the rotation is day and night. Day and night. Day and night takes place due to the rotation of earth. Now, next, when we look at the globe, we notice that India is in the eastern part of the earth and USA is in the western part. If we see the globe is the model of the earth, and it may be some arrangement by which the globes may be rotate. So, when we look at the globe, we notice that India is in the eastern part of the earth and USA is in the USA is in the western part. When India comes before the sun and gets sunlight, USA remains beyond the reach of the sunlight. So when India has day, USA has night. So in this way, day and night takes place. The states or the countries which are towards the sun, they are getting light and having the night, having the day, and the parts which are away from the sun having night. And just like in case of India and USA, when India having day, at that time USA have night. Now next, revolution. Next is the revolution. The sun is at the center of the system of the planets. Next, revolution. Next, revolution. So the sun is at the center of the system of the planets. The earth moves around the sun on its orbit. Suppose this is the sun, this is sun, and this is earth. It is earth and this is sun. It revolves around the sun. It one hand it rotates on its axis, on the other hand by rotating it revolves around the sun in a fixed path. This is called as the revolution. So the sun is at the center of the system of the planets. The earth moves around the sun on its orbit. This movement is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the earth, around the sun. So it is 1 year. It takes 1 year. Earth takes 1 year to complete its revolution. Means how many days? 365 days and 6 hours. The dotted line shown at the center of the earth is the imaginary line called the equator. Suppose this is the earth. Suppose this is earth. Vertical line is there. Imaginary line, which is divide the earth into the two parts, north and the south. The dotted line shown at the center of the earth is the imaginary line called the equator. It divides the earth into upper half and the lower half. The upper half of the earth is northern hemisphere. The lower half of the earth is the southern hemisphere. Both the hemispheres are opposite to each other. So here we can draw another diagram. In case of the earth, suppose this is the earth. In the earth, in the middle of the earth, there is an imaginary line. Imaginary line is there, and this divides earth into two parts. One is the northern hemisphere. This region is northern and southern hemisphere. And southern hemisphere. So that's for today. Next time we'll discuss about the seasons. This revolution may causes the seasons. Seasons may takes place due to the revolution of the earth. Rotation causes the day and night. Thank you. That's for today.